Hello, I'm Tim Weir with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment, iptruck.com. Today I'm actually bringing you 3 units. 2 are right here beside me. The other one just hit the lot today. They are 2021 Isuzu NPR HD crew cabs. They are the gas offering, the V8 350 horsepower. Let's take a quick moment to look at the truck and then we'll move to the body. They are Isuzus. They are the king of the cab overs. Couple of quick things that you want to focus on when you look at Isuzu is visibility and maneuverability. Visibility, you have this huge front windshield that boasts an 8-foot line of sight from the driver to the ground. We move along to the side here. Like I said, this is the crew cab. You do have seating for 4 in the back, 3 in the front. Like its single cab, it is still a cab over, so that means the truck does sit over the front axle, so you have that great maneuverability. Basically, you can turn on a dime. It definitely helps you navigate those city streets in those tight parking lots. With all Isuzus, it comes with automatic doors, locks, windows, AM, FM, CD, Bluetooth. These 3 units actually have the automatic side mirrors, which you do have adjustability right here above your visor. Now let's talk about the box. Here on these units we have the Morgan Proscape. This is designed specifically for landscapers. All 3 sides will be ventilated. The great thing and what makes this the Proscape is this back door. As you can see, it completely makes the need for the split dovetail irrelevant. No longer do you have to worry about that extra 2 to 3 feet. Your back door is your ramp. And both hinges are lockable. I actually have one right here, it's fully extended out so you can see it. It is a bifold ramp that has handles on both sides. When I'm done with this video, I will actually put it up and show you how easy it is done. Now let's go up inside here. All 3 of these units are spec'd the same way. We have full plywood lining, which makes it great and easy for upfitting in case you happen to need shelving or blower racks, weed eater racks, anything like that. It makes it easy to install, and we can actually do that right here at Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Once again, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like it. Follow our YouTube channel, which will also help set up you to get notifications on all of our new product. Now let's show you how easy it is to lift this guy up. I'm Tim Weir, and this is the Isuzu NPR HD with the Morgan Proscape. Thank you.